In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation in Airtable. Let's dive right in and explore how you can streamline your workflows with just a few clicks. First, head over to the Airtable website. Once there, simply click on the Login button. I'm assuming you're already logged in from a previous session, so this should take you directly to your workspace. Once you're logged in and ready to go, the next step is to choose the board you want to work with. This could be your project management board, inventory tracking, or any database you manage with Airtable. Click on it to open. With your board open, look to the top menu. You'll see a tab labeled Automations. Click on this to start setting up your automation processes. Once you're on the Automations page, you'll notice you have two options. You can either add a trigger from scratch or choose one from the suggested list provided by Airtable. For ease of understanding in this tutorial, let's select Add the Scheduled Time as our trigger. Now, it's time to define the interval type for our automation trigger. Here, you can set the frequency of the task, say daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on your needs. This feature is powerful as it allows you to automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing manual errors. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to test your trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. Find the Test Trigger option and click on it. This will give you a quick overview of whether your setup works as expected. If it does, great, you're ready to move forward. Next, tailor the automation to suit your specific use case. Click on Add Advanced Logic or Action to define what action you want to take once the trigger is activated. For this tutorial, let's select Create Record from the list of actions. This step allows you to automatically generate new entries based on your predefined conditions, which can be a real game changer for task and data management. You'll then be prompted to type in a description for your new record. Be as detailed here as necessary, as this description will guide how your automation behaves when triggered. Once that's set, proceed to select a table where your automation will take place. Make sure you choose the correct table, as this is where your new records will be added. Finally, you can turn your automation on by navigating to the top right corner of the Automations page. There's a toggle button that, once switched on, will activate the entire process. Congratulations! You've now set up your first automation in Airtable, enabling a more efficient workflow that operates seamlessly behind the scenes. With that, you've harnessed the power of automation in Airtable, reducing manual effort and enhancing productivity. Happy automating!